Basically speaking, I'm putting on my underwear.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm done. I've been here for 6 hours almost.